Okay, finally.
Finally.
Okay, so okay. So
Yeah, honey.
hi. Can you see the chat as well? I cannot see the chat when I'm seeing the video.
No, actually, I'm not able to see the chat. I was, actually, I did something, I lost it.
And I sent you the request to help me join your this thing now. Like there's option just popped up, so I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, guys, it's like first time she's trying. I have never done the combined live. I've done only my solo live.
No, I used to
Okay.
take, but I used to take my own teaching and classes and everything. But dual live, I never. Yeah,
Same,
true.
same. I've never done. Yeah.
It is the first experience.
Okay.
So, anyways, we accepted whatever happens.
For the best, not to worry. It has
Yes.
to happen. Okay. Learning. There's always a learning to do. I'll
I
just
don't
try it.
know
Teach.
why people are not. I cannot see the comments. I don't know what.
Because I was seeing that before I
Yeah,
joined, I could see it, but now because the horizontal camera, I cannot see it.
yeah, yeah.
I know.
I was seeing it, but now I'm not able to see it.
So now, how do we go about it? There were few people, 7 to 8 people. Um,
Yeah.
I'm trying to log in from my face laptop also.
There were so many people actually.
Actually, there were many.
Hmm. I don't know. I did something.
Um, I don't know. This will also camera rotate. I don't know what to do. And this does not allow to keep your phone vertical so that we can see. It tells you to keep horizontal to share the screen.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I don't know where I disappeared them.
It must be there. We are not able to see, so I think we should begin.
Maybe, maybe.
But if they have questions online, then I don't know. We're going to miss them.
Hmm.
Oh, let
Shraddha
me
is
see.
online. Shraddha, can you see us? Dwill, can you see both of us and can you hear us? Can you comment? Yes, yes.
Yes, she's saying.
They came, they came. Chalo.
Good. Now you could see Shraddha. How come?
Yes, yes. I can see the comments. Can you see the comments, Haniji?
So I cannot. I cannot.
See my screen.
Sorry,
See, see my screen. You will see the comments.
I cannot.
No?
I just see a picture on
Okay,
the
it is
camera. I
coming
cannot.
first. Okay, okay. No problem. Let's start.
Yeah. So you're going to
Yeah.
read it, okay? So yeah.
So, hi guys, welcome to this live, and I hope you all are safe at home and having a good time with your family. And the most important, I want to thank you all for being at home. It is a very difficult time, but we all are going through it, and you all are taking it so well and so nicely. uh, you all are not only taking good care of your own self or your family, you are taking entire country in a good consideration. So it is commendable, guys. Hats off to everybody. Everybody is taking a good efforts. And today the guest we are having, she is a rock star. She is, whatever the situation may be, she stays so calm, so composed, so relaxed, mind blowing. I don't know how she does it, but today she will share her tips and tricks and many other things she will share with us so that we will benefit from it. So let's, yeah, I have so much to tell about her. I have written in a book. I cannot, I cannot even. So Honey Ji, she is a co-founder of Being Harmony. She is internationally certified Heal Your Life coach. She is also a certified tarot reader. She is also a certified Hoponopono. Yeah, it's right. And she conducts workshops. She got most inspiring. award-winning Life Coach of the Year 2019. That's awesome, Haniji. Congratulations for that. That is simply awesome. And
Thanks.
she's a certified law of attraction practitioner. She is a graphologist. She is DMIT associate. She is a teacher in high school since 1999, and she is numeropreneur. What is that numeropreneur? You have to explain, but it is mind blowing. Your bio is awesome. I have to write
Oh,
it. The
sorry
bio
to
is awesome.
make you work.
And one more I want to add is whenever I talk to her, I become so calm, so composed, so peace. I love it. Seriously. So
That's nice.
over to Honey Ji.
Okay, so namaste everyone. And basically, whenever I start any session, whether it's my school classroom or my workshop, my personal session or online, always start with a prayer. So whatever you guys are doing, I don't know, I can't see anybody. I don't know how many are there. But whoever is watching this live or maybe recorded later, spare 2 minutes to just ground yourself and let's have the divine energies with us. So whatever happens, let divine take over. It's not me or Sheetal doing something. It's basically for everybody, divine is taking care.
Doing
Okay.
something. Yeah, that's cool. That's awesome. So, guys, she's suggesting a good prayer for us, meditation type of prayer. So, let's go ahead and enjoy.
Okay. So I would say just sit straight wherever you are, comfortably,
Haniji,
and
can you
close.
speak it or louder?
Do I need to be loud?
Yeah, yeah, little louder.
This is okay. Let me check. I don't know. Just give me a moment. Is it good?
Yeah,
Good.
yes.
Okay. So everyone, close your eyes. You can keep your palms straight, facing skyward on your thighs. Just straight. Okay. So receiving energies. That's my usual way of starting things. Okay. So close your eyes. We'll take 3 comfortable deep breaths. Deep breath in, slowly out. In, in, and out. So I invite the presence of divine, our God, a universal energy during this session. The best what the audience has to hear, has to know, comes here. Whatever are the questions, all the answers are divinely guided, which are best for the people. The whole process, the whole 1 hour is surrendered to the divine energies and soulmate. As your inner calling, as your God guiding you, or your inner being, whatever you call. And I request, please follow at least one of the tips shared here and see the difference. Bless you all. Take a deep breath in, slowly out, and you may open your eyes. Yeah. So was I clear enough? I'm not sure because how was the voice?
Nice, but little low, but it's nice.
Yeah, there was some disturbance. I don't know why. I could hear the disturbance when my. Okay, so guys, everyone, we have never met Sheetal and I. Sheetal is one of my group member, and she calls herself my fan. I'm so excited about it, and I love the work she's doing right now. Calling people, inviting people because she saw the general crowd around her dealing with these challenges of emotional imbalance or something like that. And she requested me, can you share something what you know? And I readily said yes. I was like, why not? Even if
That is
2 people join, 20 people join, or 200 join, I am there for them because that's my passion and my mission to bring a bit change in the consciousness of the planet by helping people. Okay, so before I go to Q&A and before we have all the series, let me just brief about something like generally people keep asking me, how do you remain calm? It's not possible that you are there on this planet and you don't have challenges or problems.
true,
Nobody
true.
is exception. Not
Yes.
even me, even Lord Krishna. Everybody had their own challenges. It's like basically how we deal or how we face the thing makes a difference. Problems are in everybody's life, and now that COVID has become universal, it's not your problem or my problem, it's our problem. Everybody's facing. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we all are dealing with the fear. It's not that I don't get fearful about something because I went to my school and my school is just next to Dharavi Bridge, which is a totally red zone. I had to go. But then I do some of my meditation and visualization tips, protect myself. I just do the covering, and I'm very sure I'm protected. So even if virus comes here, it will just go away. It cannot come. So that's what I have, the trust in my divine, and I have trust in the process of life. And so I feel like I'm always protected, and I keep affirming that. And then I'm okay with that. One thing is that, so basically, people I know, my friends, they're totally into depression, literally depression. They hear the news, and I shared with Sheetal even today that we have few of the parents expired today out of
Uh,
coronavirus. Today,
bad.
it was really disheartening to hear, But what as that time, I was feeling, oh God, I'm feeling heavy, and I was feeling heavy. I was not feeling that too good. Then what I did, I just went in the prayer, let the best happen from the situation for the kids now. Let the proper help and support come to them, and let this negativity not touch me. Because the moment it touches you, go into negativity, you spoil your ghar ka atmosphere, or your vibration becomes impure as in of fear or insecurity. Then you cannot help anybody. So
True,
I
true.
decided to pray to them, and that's the only thing we are able to do, right? We just can't go out and help people. It's not possible. It's not humanly possible because we have to protect our self trust. So what we can do right now, if you're worried about your relatives or your people around or your friends and all, you need to just pray that they are well protected. That's it. About your own self, I'll share some beautiful visualization in the end, how you protect yourself, and do this thing at least 3 times a day. So you automatically get your aura protected. So your energy is so in a higher vibration that the lower energy of virus does not attack you. And worst, you've not practiced enough and you do not believe in the process completely because it's very new and it's normal. It's not very logical step. It's totally energetically talking about. If at all the virus, then we need to do the water drinking and all this thing. And we can have your affirmation and meditation and the proper tips and things which doctors are suggesting. I would prefer be it drink warm water, sanitize yourself. Medical doctors will be better with that thing. But only thing, under any circumstances, don't let the negativity come over you. One thing, trust that you're safe and protected. So for that, I am actually affirmation master Louise. I'm trained under her, and then she changed her life by just creating affirmation for anything. So I always say, so the few things which I do it, which are very very doable, not rocket science or something. I mean, a normal person. I'm not really something different than you people are. So we can keep affirming. I'm safe and secure wherever I go. That's my favorite because there's always fear of something or the other. So I
Haniji,
repeat again.
can I repeat? Yeah, yeah, I repeat that.
So I am safe and secure wherever I go. So whether you're
I'm
at home,
wherever I go. Okay, guys,
yeah,
please write if you can. I am safe and
yeah.
secure wherever I go.
Or you can put it in the chat box, Sheetal, so they can read it
Yeah,
even after listening to the
yes,
recording or something.
yes, I'll do that.
Because that's a very simple affirmation, but that gives the signal to your subconscious mind, okay, I'm safe. Now you're creating that vibration. I am safe and secure. So safety and security is not about this corona stuff, about any stuff. So if you're fearful about your job, now second problem is health ke baad is about the economy. And
Economic.
people are losing job, no doubt about it. People are uncertain ki when is my next salary coming, or whether I'll be having the job or no, and how long is the situation going to live. We don't know कि एक महीने के बाद 2 महीने के बाद चल ठीक है अगस्त से सब कुछ ठीक होगा. No, government doesn't. We do not know. Like nobody really knows. So we need to prepare ourselves to be with this uncertainty.
Right.
And this particular time is basically for us to check within what's happening. Spare 1 hour daily, maybe 15 minutes, 4 times karke, या maybe 1 hour at a stretch, to meditate, to introspect, or to journal, to write, I fear about, you write all the list of fears. So I'm worried about my job, I'm worried about my health. Just face them. Let the fears come out. Once the fear come out, and then you keep affirming about them. All these fear are universal. They are not your fear. It's about everybody. So don't feel
Right.
you are the only one going through.
That right. Exactly.
Yeah, and then if you accept them and then say, God, I surrender. I remember. Good. So what do I do basically? So write whenever the fear list comes. I write all the fear. Keep it. There's a God box in my temple. I have a prayer altar. If you have an altar, good. If you have a temple, छोटा सा, जैसा भी मंदिर जैसा कोई sacred place, तो वहाँ पे you can create a God box. This is really new, okay? So if you don't have any box around now and you cannot buy, you can have any dabba from the kitchen. या कुछ होता है storage के लिए अच्छा सा, it will look cute सा nice if you have. You can call it as God box and keep that fear in it. God, I surrender all my fear to you. Now you take over. So you are symbolically surrendering and trusting that trusting God, you're there to take care of me. And when you say it, you really feel light. So basically, my secret is I surrender. I totally surrender. You are there to take care, God. I mean, of course, there are some people who don't believe in the word God or something, whatever you call universal energies or higher power or anything. Just surrender and let that take over. That is one thing you surrender. Second thing, work on your skills. This is the best time. Do
To
whatever you always wanted to do. So, like, I know she is doing so much, and I'm going more of the online stuff. I did my numerology course now. What I numerology earlier. I'm doing other creating my online group, teaching the video courses and all. I'm attending doctor's course. I mean, I'm doing too much, and then I feel this is the best time. And thanks to internet and Wi-Fi all available to us, and we can go to online thing. So polish your skills. If you're into finances, there are 101 courses on that. Any particular field, I don't think so. There's any single field which is not available online. And
right.
if it is not about your professional skill, develop your hobbies. You maybe always wanted to paint or write or read a book which you never could. Do that. And many people nowadays are watching YouTube and cooking wonderful food because now the hotels are shut. Everybody now groups.
Same here. I cooked today palata. This, that, many recipes. It's fun.
Yeah, you can just Snapchat, pay Instagram, pay. Everybody will just flaunt about what they cook. So why not? That
Everybody is
inspires everybody.
everybody
Ah,
is
even
thinking,
yeah, even children are doing it. So and don't be involved in something which you don't like. Suppose you don't like full day jhadu pocha, but the bhaiya also not there. You can have alternate day. Don't do every day. Who watches? Nobody's coming to check your house. Thode kapde idhar udhar hai, no problem. But do what makes you happy. This is your time, which is not going to come in next century. I feel I shouldn't come also because we don't want this lockdown for this particular reason. But
right.
then if it is come, take it positively. Take it, okay, it's come for me. I'm not going to be, I know few of the people, पूरा दिन ये करो वो करो खुद के लिए time कहाँ है? Come on, don't do it. Who's going to question you?
This is
So,
the
थोड़ा,
time.
yeah,
Yeah.
थोड़ा
I,
compromise कर लो, but do something which makes you feel really good, which makes your
yeah.
heart sing in your own way, on your Going out is not all. बाकी सब तो life तो है, excitement है, dance करो, music चलाओ, do what you want to do, and that will make you happy, and that will create कि there is some life there. Otherwise, people are getting tired घर पे. No big deal. घर पे so much is available on internet. Don't keep watching shows and all. I'm not for TV shows and all. That creates a lot of negativity. And
Yeah.
if possible, I'm totally against watching news.
Yeah, even I'm not a Netflix person.
So no news, no Saas Bahu serial, Ekta Kapoor types and all that thing. Because if you see anybody, those who are mostly happy and calm, they wouldn't do these two things for sure. They're not watching TV, the normal shows and all. They'll have for fun, definitely. The comedy shows you can watch, the ones which will make you laugh and then not think much, that you can watch. You can see songs, you can see dance music and all for sure. But one with a lot of conspiracy, इसने इसका क्या किया, a lot of gossip, that creates, that makes your mind impure. That takes
Right.
away your purity. The soul's purity is washed. And then again, you have to build up. So choose your internet watch time, choose your shows, choose your things. And I think I do this, I write a lot. So, I mean, those who are thinking that you cannot write, write about your feeling. We are not going to create a bestseller book or something, but at least write what you feel. Your feelings are suppressed, and maybe
Right.
there's nobody to hear you. People are there, but then they're busy in their own stuff. Write it for yourself. Go to the mirror and talk to yourself. What is it? What are your challenges? And the best friend you'll find in the mirror. That's what I do. Yeah.
Right. No, I want to highlight this writing thing. It really works. It
It
really,
works.
whenever I feel I'm confused with something, I just write it and then I'm sorted. Then I'm absolutely sorted. I just know it. Okay, this is the perfect way. So writing actually helps me.
It,
So
it it really is. I know few people. My friend says ki I'm not a writing person. I can talk. I said, "Nee, but you still sit and write. You write. You start with the challenge. You start with this and say, what is it telling me? What is it telling me? Answers will keep flowing. Starting में it
right,
will be a task, but then flow के साथ you like इतना बड़ा challenge नहीं है life में. The way the mind creates, उराई का पहाड़ बना लेता है types. So
right,
basically
right.
there is only one thing, but because you're not taking care of it, you're not addressing it, it becomes like too big. And then you see ki, how do I overcome anxiety? How do I overcome? Because it's created out of a mole, you create mountain out of the mole. So write it down and you'll see कि repeat, repeat, वही 5 challenges कर रहे हैं. There's nothing big thing about it, and then we can sort it out. And there are certain things which are not in our control, like the way we don't have the control over COVID and all those things. Then we surrender. The things which are
Right.
under our control, for example, like now, right now, we couldn't connect. So we were trying, figuring it out. We did not say surrender, abhi Bhagwan aap karo. It's in our control. We can check it out, what to be done about the Facebook Live. We could. But things are not in control, surrender. Just keep your hands up. Bhagwan देखो. That way.
No, it was amazing, Haniji. जो आपने अभी tools दिए ना, those are actually tools. If we implement in our daily life, it works amazing. ये बहुत simple लगते हैं, but simple चीज ही अच्छी होती है. ये मंत्र तो मैं सीख गई हूँ लाइफ में कि जो चीज simple है वो best होती है हमारे. So
Actually.
yeah, whatever you said was exactly a tool. We can take it, grab it, and just use it, and really it will work. You know. So
Because life is really simple. We look for a complicated thing, tell us the steps. And there's nothing. It's simple.
yeah,
Just follow simple things. Life will be simplified.
yeah.
Mm,
And I
we
just
are not going to achieve any degree or something. It's just simple. Live it moment by moment. If you're fearful, like address it, you're fearful, accept it. And then do if it's under your hand, do something about it. If it's not under your control, surrender. That's simple. If you're feeling angry, accept it, you are angry. Address it. Okay, I'm angry because. Keep writing. And then you'll know, okay, this is my
I'm gonna
need.
put
I'm not getting enough attention or I'm not getting enough love from someone. So give it to yourself. You are that someone for yourself. There's nobody out there. The whole universe belongs to you inside you.
self-love, self-love.
That's the only thing I'll come to the topic. Love yourself.
Love yourself. No matter
Yeah.
if anybody loves you or not, it's absolutely not a thing. Yeah? Just love yourself and just have an amazing day. You can make your everyday amazing by loving yourself. This is the way I have started. It's It's
Yes, if you've
amazing.
seen that last series.
Thanks to you and thanks to you because you have introduced that and it has come to me and now my subconscious mind has accepted that.
So sweet of you. And just by doing affirmations from the group, you're doing it, and that's really brilliant, you know.
I know it's
You know,
nice.
teacher keeps giving. It's up to the student how much it takes. So good. I'm happy that you're doing it. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you. No, but I will say that teacher is amazing, though students will automatically become amazing.
I don't agree. It's up to the student. Okay. Yeah. So,
So, Haniji, let's take some of the questions.
sure.
I have posted questions in my social page, so I got some
Okay.
of the questions I can share with you.
Sure.
So, the first question is, how to make how to know how to make ourselves emotionally strong. How we can make ourselves emotionally strong.
So first, I would like to know whoever has questioned this. What do you mean by emotionally strong?
Like,
Do you feel you don't?
like
Sorry.
whatever the circumstances going on, how we can keep ourselves emotionally stable,
Means not getting
not
drowned in
carried,
the
not,
carried away. Yeah.
not to get carried away. That.
Yeah. So that is a basic lifetime practice, you know. So if you suddenly decide कि now अभी मुझे इतना हो रहा है, now I should be stable, it's little difficult, you know. You just can't get into the ocean and do swimming. It's a daily process. You're learning to just breathe in, take hands ka movement, leg ka movement. It's like that. So basically, when the things are better, when the things are not too dicey or up and down. So daily practices, simple meditation. Now, what is meditation? Will be just focusing on any one object. It could be with your eyes closed or with your eyes open. Or just close your eyes and focus on the sound of AC or TikTok or something. So you are being mindful, you are being aware. And when you're aware, emotion don't. Problem comes if you heard this dialogue a lot. मैं गुस्से में था मैंने बोल दिया. I did not mean it. It just happened. Because you are
Yeah.
not aware कि गुस्सा आ रहा है. I'm not responding, I'm reacting. Because you're not being mindful about yourself. So the mindful exercises like meditation or being aware of your thing, or as I told you, beginning, if you're feeling something, journal it out. So when you write it down, you're aware of what's happening, and then you choose to react. You don't react out of any emotional stuff, right? So this will be a definite practice, and during the time, suppose we haven't started our practice, and we'll start from today, maybe. Now, what to do? So basically, breathing, deep breathing brings away the connection of your mind, which is so spontaneous. So suppose you feel you're feeling sad or fearful or worried or angry, nothing doing, just breathe up to your abdomen, okay? Fill your stomach with air and release it from your mouth as if you're releasing all the worries, all the fear, all the anger. So it's very simple. I'll just do that.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay? Three times. Three times is a very good number. Don't ask me why, but normally we do it three times or something basic, you know. And then you can say, I'm calm.
I'm
I'm
composed.
calm. I'm calm. So when you're calm now, अब क्या करना है सोचो अभी. You know, then you can come from the space of being calm and all. You're not coming from the space of emotionally disturbed. So breathing, deep breathing and releasing from your mouth will really help even if you're a very, very beginner to this spiritual journey. And in between also, I tell my students always when I conduct my online courses or my personal coaching, every hour, you know, you can have alarm set or a reminder set. Put it there, I'm aware, the name of the alarm.
I'm
I'm
aware.
Yeah. So every
I'm
year alarm rings, I'm aware. So what are you aware of? So I'm aware of what's going on in my mind. Is it creating a happy thought or a sad thought? Is it creating a beautiful thing ahead or is it a worryful thought? So the moment you're
yeah.
aware, you can change. But if you're not aware, the things are going to multiply, multiply, multiply. It will come on your feeling, come on your body. You might get sick or you might get diseased.
We
And
can yeah.
so
Mood.
I
We can
feel awareness is the key. The moment you're aware, you can do something about it. You know, अगर
mindful.
घर पे I'm sorry, yeah.
Sorry,
You said
we will be mindfulness and we will be eating mindfulness. We will be doing things mindfulness. This will awareness will help us to do everything with mindfulness.
yeah, and then overweight problem, diabetes problem, everything just aging problem, anything. Because you're doing everything with so much of love and so much of awareness, the cells are multiplying in a new way. Every 50 days our cells are renewed and you're giving positive energy, you're aware of your negative thoughts, you're clearing them. One caution here, Sheetal, I would like to say everybody, when you're aware that you are thinking negative thoughts or you're being jealous or you're being angry or you're comparing, please, please, please don't criticize yourself. Don't feel bad. Don't put a label, sick, I'm such a bad person to think negative thoughts. Abhi abhi to suna acha sochna hai. No. Those
This is
thoughts just come.
good.
Embrace them. It's okay. They are your thoughts. Okay, that's not okay. I love them all. I mean, I always say I love all phases of mine. All, like the moon, the Amavasya and the Purnima. I love no moon day with full darkness, so I can have बहुत सारी बुराइयां and I still love it. And I can have wonderful thing, I can still love it. Because moment you love it, it will not bother you. The moment you say नहीं 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 छी गुस्से वाली हनी मुझे नहीं चाहिए वैसी वाली नहीं चाहिए बोलेगी ये भी मैं ही हूँ बाबा लेकिन it's you, it's all your shades. So under any circumstances when you're aware of your negativity, embrace it. Don't criticize, don't condemn,
Right.
don't feel bad. It's okay to feel what you're feeling. And when you say to yourself it's okay to feel, what a relief.
What is
It's
it?
okay to
I agree with this. I totally agree with this.
feel. You have an example to share, Emily. That's why I totally agree to it. Yeah. So just do it. I mean, I would really request everyone who's watching now or watching later, whenever, be aware and accept them all. Don't deny any of your shade. Don't deny any of your part. Just say it's okay. It's okay to be angry. And then now what to do? Tell me, I'm angry now. What to do? Come on, take deep breath, sip of water. Okay, take it, not because you hate your angry out of it, you don't liking it. So just think, I'm angry, agree it, and then I'm shifting it to a positive thing. And that will create a lovely shift in your life, I'm telling you. I can vouch on it. Totally.
Wow.
Blank paper पे sign करके I can. It's like so guaranteed. Yeah, it works.
No, because you have experienced that. It's an amazing tool. It works so good. You can shift any of your anger to any of the mood you want. So this is
Yeah.
the best. So practice
So
makes it
it's
perfect. So
it's in
practice.
your hand. We think कि
Yes,
it's not in
yeah.
our control. It's in our control, and know that you are powerful. You have the power to change your thoughts. You have
Yeah.
the all the tools and techniques. We just have to live them. Anything will work only when you work with them. सुन के
Exactly.
बोल के कुछ नहीं. You need to work with them. So once you start working, and you will feel life is not that difficult, though the difficulties are there, but life itself is beautiful. It is.
Yeah, actually, to keep this session, my main motto was this because whenever I used to talk to any of my friends, they used to call me and we used to have a word. Everybody used to get, I'm so disturbed, yeah, what is going to happen and all such stuff. Then I
Hmm.
used to think, why I'm not thinking so badly. Then I
Hmm.
realized I am practicing it.
Hmm.
Whatever I'm learning it, I'm practicing it and it is helping me out. So it's
Right.
like I want to help people now to make them aware of those tools and tricks so that they will learn and they will practice and it will help them out.
And
So
that is so nice.
yeah, so
I
this
mean,
was the whole concept behind having this session. So I
I'm so
was,
happy for people, and even if one person picks up today,
yeah,
our
yeah,
energies have yeah.
yeah, exactly.
And one person, because you are one person who got shifted, now you are thinking of changing people. So that's a ripple effect. One is not one. One is to the power infinity, I would say, not even to the power 10. So one person can create that shift. So we need to just give away what we have learned. And that's our contribution to the society. That
Right.
is what we have to leave back the planet. The way we have learned here, we have to give back. So,
Yes,
and these are
yes.
simple things. I'll do only the things which are simple. Even cooking difficult है तो मेरे को मत बता. Easy recipe है तो बता. Otherwise I'm not doing. Doing all these stuff, ready, but so even these techniques. So I've been to many of the spiritual things. Some went for really deny your desires and all, desires are the root cause. I was like, "Nahin, that does not make me happy." So then I went for some time, gave myself, and I became very, very dry, you know. मतलब
Okay.
मांगे अच्छा नहीं है, मांगना नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. I used to be very simple clothes, tie up my
हनी जी,
hair,
we
look
are
very simple.
voice. हनी जी,
I'm
आपकी
sorry.
वॉइस कम आ रही है. Your voice
Okay, I'll
has
keep. Okay. Is it good now? Good.
हाँ, yeah, good audible. Yeah,
I think the message जब आता है तो हम ठीक है.
right,
So
right.
those tips, I mean, वैराग जैसा हो जाता है, वैराग. मतलब उस भावना में, but that did give me joy. So then Louise Hay's book happened, and then I was like, wow, you can be spiritual and enjoy all the things. Why not do this? I mean, and it's okay to be jealous. It's okay to be angry. It's okay to have desires. Okay, करके deadline पूरी हुई है. And happiness can be choice, and that is now with all.
Right. You have
Yeah,
to
next
tell one
question.
more question. One more question.
Tell
How you have such glow in your skin, you know? You have, whenever I see you in the seminar or webinar or wherever, you always glow. You know, what is the secret, you have to tell now, today.
So there is no secret. Everything I have, I can keep telling. I don't have any secret. So one thing I apply Nivea cream. So if at all that works for you. And second thing, I don't take much tensions. So I don't let the tension come in my thing. It just, I mean, if I realize I'm worried or something, I'll straight away go to God, pray, and give away all the tension. I said, I don't want to do it. I cannot handle it. You take care of it. For example, I was really worried when your call came about the kids. I didn't want
Yeah.
to take it because I need to protect my aura all the time. So I'm very careful. I'm very selfish about it. I'll be self-love for kabhi bhi. I don't get it down. So I mean, it's not that ki I don't have feelings. I did feel about them. I went to God and said, God, please help them to come out of it, and let other sources come and help them or something. So I think I worry less, and I am more self-care and self-love and all. And love makes you glow. When you're in love,
Great.
automatically, and I love myself like any beloved would love me.
Okay, that's the secret.
Honey, you're so beautiful and loving. I keep appreciating myself and giving lots of praises and all those things, and I think that shows. Because you feel you're loved. एक अजीब सा वो आ जाता है कि when you know you're loved by somebody. कोई इतराते कैसे लड़कियां जब भी बॉयज बहुत पीछे पड़ेंगे चॉकलेट आके देंगे. The way the boyfriend treats you, I treat myself. So
Wow.
I think that could be the reason.
All the girls. Stop chasing guys.
You know,
You love yourself. You don't need to.
yeah, and then guys will come, yeah, that is okay. But then उनसे भी I'm sorry, I missed it. There was some pause between.
Yeah, actually, some. Okay, so we got your question with the glowing thing, self love. So one more question. One have asked, hi Sheetal, my question is, what is the best way to understand our emotional health?
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you,
Can
but
you see me as well?
yeah,
Can you see me also? Okay.
I
ठीक है.
can see you.
Yeah. You said about understanding emotion?
Voice.
Yeah. Can you repeat the question, please?
Hi Sheetal, my question is, what is the best way to understand our emotional health? It's all about
Emotional.
emotion. Everybody is dealing
Okay.
with the same. I got so many questions, and in every question there was, I think one answer is there for every question, basically. It's all
What is it?
emotional. It's all emotional related, right? So you're
So
solving
basically,
everything.
yeah, understanding, and there's no point in understanding. What you'll do understanding what is anger, what is the root cause, no need. You just know that this is there, accept it completely, change it into positive thing, that's it. You try to understand, you'll lose your brain in that. and you leave, you become very dry. There's no need to understand life or understand any. It's basically to live, to experience all the emotion, whether it's emotion of love or something. You know, pyar kya hota hai? You're like, what? What do you want to find, define, and write about the book about that? Just experience, go. You know, you need to experience all your emotions, whether they are making you down or making you up. Just experience them. Experiencing will really rise you up. Understand, feel anything. And the way I
Okay.
told you, experience. So you need to, once you're aware, so again, mindfulness, if you're aware of your emotions, so you're aware, okay, I'm getting angry. This much understanding and awareness, that is all we need. And then accept it and change it. So I've been repeating this. One is awareness. Second step, accept it. Third step, if you don't like it, change it. That's it. That's all. So
Accepted, awareness,
aware. Hmm.
accept it, and change it.
Change.
So we can
So I
shift it.
believe people will know what affirmations are. Change means change your all these things are your thoughts. There's no emotion lying out there. You can't hold something like this is emotion. It's in the thought, right? So thought, if at all, it is empowering you, it's making you joyful, happy and all. Those are positive emotion. The thoughts which are making you low or with the low energies which are making you not so good or something. It could be any of them. They are not required or desired thoughts. Just be aware that these are things are not making me happy. I need to shift. I need to change because the more longer time you are into the suffering state, I call it suffering state, the ones which are putting you down. If you're more into that vibration, you'll attract more of the suffering things. That's a law of attraction. And if you're more into a high vibration, love, joy, and happiness and all, you'll attract more things to be happy about. So our job is to be aware, where am I right now? Am I on the lower vibration? Am I on the higher vibration? If you're on the lower vibration, okay, I accept it. I slowly write. I can listen to the music. I can do something which makes me feel good. If
True.
nothing happens, just sleep and break the pattern.
Right, right.
Okay,
True, true.
because it is important to break the pattern. But first of all, you need to be aware. Only then you can do it. And don't deny. The more you deny, it's like a bacha. You know, the child comes to you, mama, ye, mama.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
like,
mama, and you don't listen to it, he will keep pestering you. Then listen,
yes,
हाँ बच्चे तक ये चाहिए ले ले अब मैं अपना काम करूँ. So it's like
right,
a child, you know, the mind is like your child. Address
right,
it, say yes, okay, thank you, I see you, I look you,
right,
and then go ahead.
right,
It's
right. No,
simple.
true. Actually, yeah, this is the best tool, you know. Friends,
Hmm.
ये बहुत ध्यान से आप लिख लीजिए. मैं तो बोलती हूँ ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप लिख सकते हो तो आप लिख लीजिए कि आप अपने लो वाइब्रेशंस को हाई वाइब्रेशंस में लेके जा सकते हो. उसके लिए whenever you are feeling low, just make a awareness that you are feeling low and just accept it and shift it. Right, Hani ji? Perfect.
Yeah,
Yes,
perfect.
and you can do that by doing whatever you like, by listening to
Hmm.
music or anything. Yes. तो ये आप लिख लो because हानि जी मुझे लगता है ये तो एक मूल्य मंत्र है लो वाइब्रेशन को हाई वाइब्रेशन पे लेके जाने के लिए. This is awesome, Hani ji. Thank you so much. This was an awesome tip. This was really
Hmm.
an awesome. I know this will benefit for many people. You know. Next
It will.
question: how to be
Hmm.
relaxed? The same.
Relaxed. Okay.
Yeah,
So
question.
same thing again. So
Again.
relax is again. I would say the same thing again. Of course, you can relaxing music सुन सकते हो. Do something which will make you feel happy. Any of your hobbies or I mean, I feel if nothing, doing sleep. Huh? I sleep a lot during this day. And I'm taking full advantage of lockdown. I'm doing all my things and I'm sleeping enough and doing which I never did from so long. So
And
that relaxes.
beauty sleep.
Yeah. And that helps, that rejuvenates your system. So फिर वापस
Exactly.
स्कूल चलो फिर 5 o'clock उठ के जाओ ट्रेनों में लोकल के थके हो कि चल चल करो खुश रहो जब करेंगे तब जाएंगे तो relax is do what makes you feel happy. So I'll tell you one thing which is again important too, because जब हम down होते हैं ना we don't understand हमारा दिमाग चलता नहीं है. We are into that zone and we feel कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता actually में okay. ये अभी ठीक ठाक है okay. You can take a book, create your own my journal, which is a private journal. You can write what are the things which makes you feel happy in
Yes.
general. So
Right.
watching comedy movies or listening to music or dancing or yoga or meditation or reading book, playing with your pet. looking at the child, you know, the छोटे छोटे videos आते हैं आजकल Instagram पे. My daughter keeps showing me my puppies के video, no, they're really cute. So what are the things which makes you smile at least, if not very happy, or a chocolate or a hot chocolate? I mean, I like hot chocolate. So
Yeah, chocolate.
what? Yeah. So what is it you like? Make a list. It could be 20, 30, 40 items. And you can
Right.
also make a list what makes you down, what makes you feel sad. So is it because of working घर का काम इसीलिए? It could be, I don't know, कोई comment कर दिया या किसी ने कुछ सुना दिया या
Hmm.
fear of future which makes you
Right.
down,
Right.
insecurity when you are into that zone. So when you know your downer list, you know upper list. Upper means which are good ones, downer which makes you down.
Right.
So when you're down and you say, oh, this is my downer list, I need to switch. So choose what is available right now.
Switch.
So you
Right.
have the thing. Even if you're down, but you have the list ready, you have a book in front of you, do that. Those
Right.
tools, you have the things with you now, you can just shift. Otherwise, when you're down, you cannot think of happy things. You do
Right.
not know
True.
what to do because you're down. So you have the list ready, come on, okay, I like to see this again, I'm going to do it now.
I
Or
do this.
something, just take
Yeah, yeah, definitely. This listing I'll do today.
seriously, it really is. I have a big upper list, and the slowly से downer कम होते जा रहे हैं. So I mean everything I do it personally. I've been sharing. There's nothing there's nothing from this. I've read, I've understood somewhere, and I've been following. I've heard thousands of tips in life, but I remember only what I follow, and that is only thing I'm sharing. I
No,
mean,
that's amazing.
that's it.
You're such a giver, you know. You always love to share your knowledge because people keep within themselves. They are not even interested to, share. So you have such a big heart, sharing your things with
I'm
others.
selfish. It multiplies. The more I share, the more my mind listens. So it's not about you again myself. I
Yeah,
I feel good.
yeah, I agree
I
with
mean, I
that
feel
because yeah,
the more
because
you give, the more it multiplies.
now I am sharing my, whatever skills and knowledge I have. I'm sharing with people. I'm multiplying with my skills. So it's yeah, it works. It works.
And you know what? My intention by doing this job or by becoming a teacher, I always wanted to create more of Honey Machani. So if I'm able to make shift in people's life, my students should make people's life my shift. I can't reach everyone. I'll have my
Right.
limitation. So your people, I know if Sheetal is there and she's following me, her friends and all will be motivated speaking to her. You know, I have that intention. Those who come in my aura, in my presence, become like me and share this knowledge, share this joy ahead, so that the planet is beautiful. Otherwise, alone I cannot do it. Alone, Louise couldn't do it. That's why she created teachers of love like us. So I want to create that thing. I don't want students for lifetime. I want teachers to teach further, teach further. That
Wow,
is
that's
my mission.
amazing. That's amazing. So we are in the right mentor hands.
So, I mean, I don't want people to be dependent on me at all. I want them to be independent and they create other people independent. And then the life goes on, you know. That is so beautiful.
That's amazing about you. That's why you have a big heart.
I don't know. I don't know what. It's only this much.
Okay, Anishi, can I ask you the next question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. No matter how much we work on emotional health, we always get tempted to bad habits. How we can handle it?
Bad habits, me.
I don't know. She wrote just bad habits.
So, I mean, I don't know if it is talking about smoking or alcohol or something. What are
Let's
those bad habits I talking
yeah, junk food. Let's take it as a junk food.
about? Okay. So, I think by now you must be knowing my answer. So, if you love yourself,
Yeah.
you know, to make it very simple, suppose you have a child of 2, 3 years old and it demands any junkie or tobacco or cigarette or something, will you ever? You'll never because you know it's not good for the child. You
Not
know,
good for you.
somehow you'll convince him or divert him or give him the better thing, you'll give him healthy stuff. So you need to love yourself like a baby. You are the 3 year old inside. That baby, maybe your parents have parented you, but there's some missing part in yourself which longs for that deep love, the way you want that love. So imagine yourself as a baby, and if you're thinking of the bad habits, will I do it to my child? If the answer is yes, most welcome to do. The answer is no. Then don't do it yourself. You can't be cruel to yourself.
Yeah,
So
because
the
our inner,
whole message, yeah,
yeah,
the whole message is about loving yourself. So when you love, you automatically care about the person. Love ka next step is caring. If I love
yes,
my husband, child, or my daughter or something, I'll definitely
yes,
care for her. And I don't have to do it; it just happens.
happens,
If I
yes,
love my country, I'll care for my country. If I love anything, care is a second step. It's like together. So if you
yes,
love yourself, automatically you'll care. You'll not do something which is not good for its body or its mind. You'll not think negative thoughts. You'll not eat negative food which is bringing you down.
both
Maybe for
sentient,
taste, I say basically हम ये सब क्यों खाते हैं for taste के लिए. नीचे जाके तो सब गटर बन जाता है. It's all don't even think of it. टेस्ट तो एक बाइट से हो जाता है ना, फिर भर भर के क्यों कचरा खाना है. तुमको मन आ रहा है तो एक पीस पिज्जा खा लो या समथिंग, have it. I'm not saying deny yourself, but put a
some,
lot of veggies in that, put a lot of healthy stuff in that. What I do, I make the roti ka pizza, and I put a lot of veggies. So base is again no maida, it's a roti, and then a lot of veggies are there, cheese and all is good, proteins and all. So it's like taste be satisfied, health be satisfied, and you're not depriving yourself of anything. Find the substitute, find the way out. Ki how can I create the better thing? So some people have habit of tobacco, something they can chew gum or orbit जो भी होता है kind of. So that mouth चलता रहे, and then it's a muscles का भी exercise ये jaw का.
right,
So you find your own ways, base for everything. If you love yourself, all these questions will dissolve. You know how to love, and everybody knows how to love because we are loved by creation. So if you can love a child, if you can love a plant in your house, you can love your house and decorate it well. Why not your own body and yourself?
hmm.
So I don't know what bad habits they were referring to, but the whole point will be start loving yourself. And for that, if you want to know how to and all that thing, I've come up with Love Yourself series. I think you're getting it. It's on my YouTube channel. One minute video, one thing tip is there, very, very doable. Do listen and love. Beautiful.
Yeah,
So yeah.
yeah, really. No, actually, you are correct. Loving yourself makes a path for the love, care, self care, and other stuff comes along with that. And
Yeah,
everything,
virus.
everything is. I got this. So, Haniji, we don't have more questions now. Let's see if the viewers have any other questions to ask. There are many people watching us. So, guys, any of you have any questions to ask from Honeybee Live? You can. So we were talking about visualization. So what is exactly how it helps us, and what exactly can you give us some short summary about it?
Yeah. So basically, what I do normally, affirmation, meditation, visualization,
Yeah.
daily routine. So visualization is, as the name suggests, you visualize. So visualize something which you already want, which is there in your life already. For example, about this disease, you can visualize you're well protected, and then golden light from the universe is basically a light of healing. If you
Hmm.
know people who do Reiki and all this stuff, they get the golden light. And then what I do for myself, I protect myself in the golden bubble. I'm well protected inside, and there's a golden light. So I can visualize that viruses are there, but they can't. They're knocking, but they're just going away. So you visualize, you can be as creative as possible, and you're safely laughing, dancing inside that pink or golden bubble. So when you
Okay.
visualize this, love, trust, and joy, and all, automatically your aura or your energy, you are this
Vibration.
body physically, but you have the energetic. So if you're doing
Yes.
this work, your aura is expanding in a positive way. But if you're
Yes.
in a negative thinking or feeling fearful and something, it's contracting. You know, it's contracting and it is attracting the thing. So the doors are very open for all the virus to enter. So
Right.
even if all the care you're doing about sanitization, about the food and all, but if you're not taking care of your mind, sorry to say, the disease might out of fear. What you fear the most, you attract the most.
Right.
So at the same time, if you love the most, you attract the most. So if you love well-being, well-being will be yours. If you fear disease, disease will be yours.
Right.
So, which is a big, big thing I've shared here. So if you want to attract something, love it. Don't fear about it. If you Fear getting sick, or fear about the economy, or fear about losing job. Love about being fulfilled. Love about your well-being. Love about being super rich. You know, visualize it. Money is no problem. Money is always there. Whether country is going up and down, I have enough money. Health, I don't know. बाकी सबको seal कर दिया, but I am super healthy. You know, create that vibration, and your vibration will not attract the lower vibration stuff.
Right. Right. That's amazing actually. Now, everybody is gonna have amazing tool of visualization, That's amazing, really it's amazing. So I think
So,
we don't have people for the questions to start our visualization.
do we? Okay. Okay. So I'm not able to see anybody. So whether I
Not a
hope you all
problem.
are doing with me. If not anybody, I know Sheetal is doing so good. Okay, so I would request everybody watching this do this. It will hardly take 2 to 5 minutes, but give you lots of positive energy and protection shield. Okay, the full meditation is again on my YouTube channel. You can watch there. And but when you're doing live together, you will feel that energy, because you're live with me. Okay,
True.
so we'll close your eyes. Straight. Again, hands facing skyward. Take a deep breath in, out with a smile. In, out with a smile. Beautiful, deep, long breath in, out with a smile. Now imagine you in your house sitting and worrying about this disease, and suddenly you remember, oh, I can surrender this worry to my divine. You just go to the altar or the mandir of your house and say, God, I cannot handle, you take care of me. And you say this, there is a bright golden light from the universe coming straight towards you. And you're wondering, what is this? The light says, I have come to protect you. It suddenly turns into a bubble of light and it tells you, come inside. You're well protected here. You jump inside and you're feeling so great and happy and joyful there and relaxed. This golden bubble of light is a light of security, your protection. You realize, God, I have my people here. Even they need protection. The golden light expands and it says, let them in. And you call your relatives, your loved ones, your family inside. As people walk in, the bubble expands. You feel very nice. Myself and all my people are well protected. And this bubble with your people is flying above the ground and you're happy that you're suddenly you see a lot of chaos down there. You don't know these people, but they are suffering. Ask this light, can I help them too? He said, of course. Then the bubble expands further and you take them in. The area where you live, whichever part of the country, everybody is protected by this golden light. You feel, wow, my area is green zone, kind of, it's protected. As you go above, you see other states, other people are suffering. Take the whole state inside. Now you can see the whole map of India inside this golden light. Full India is well protected. And you're happy and grateful about it. As the bubble expands, your heart expands to accommodate more and more people. Worry about the world now. Now see this full globe in this golden bubble. Planet Mother Earth is well protected. Everybody on the earth are happy, healthy, and increasing their consciousness. You feel so happy and satisfied. Your surrender helped Earth heal. It's not only one person, it's your intention which will heal this planet. Your deep gratitude to your divine. Bring your attention back to the place where you are. Bring your awareness to the space. Come back to this session here, knowing all is well with everyone. And this golden light is all yours to protect you, your people. A deep breath of gratitude in, slowly out of love. Deep breath of gratitude in, out of love, in and out. Bring your hands close to each other. Join me. Hear the sound, the warmth. Keep the hands on your eyes, lips, and open
Wow, feeling so good. I was lost in.
it. Okay, so if you could see it, feel it.
Then what will happen with the live? So I, just
Okay. Yeah, okay. So like if you can see, do this 2 3 times a day. Very simple. Just create that bubble. First, always protect yourself. You just can't imagine Earth protected and then you're outside the Earth. No. First protect yourself, then your loved ones, then you're satisfied. My people are safe. Because yeah, human tendency is there. And then you can expand your heart. When you don't have that safety security, you can't go beyond. You know,
right.
give it to yourself first and give it to your people first, and then let's expand. And this is really powerful. Golden energy is really powerful.
Right.
Keep doing it, it will help. That's a protection shield which is around you.
Yeah, when this 2 minutes can make such a difference, I believe do practicing this whole every day for 5 to 10 minutes will make a whole lot of difference, right?
It really
Yeah,
does.
great. It's really amazing. I'm feeling so relaxed right now. I'm feeling like I should not talk much, I'm in a very relaxed
Same here. Even I am I'm lost. That's why I take it in the end. Because there's nothing to say. Now only experience.
No, no, really, felt that, I was relaxed. I'm feeling relaxed right now. हाँ जी, जितना मैं आपको शुक्रिया कहूँ उतना कम है, the more,
The opportunity.
gratitude to have a teacher like you, really,
Mm,
really. Blessed to
thank
have a
you.
teacher like you, really.
Thanks to Divine to create that.
You make us really, you are actually giving people a right way, to make their self calm, composed, to love themselves, to care for themselves. You're making people aware of how you can stay calm, whatever things going on, whatever the mess is going on, you still can stay calm. So this is awesome actually. And I think ये एक लाइव सेशन जो कोई देखेगा और एक्चुअली वो लेगा उसको इतना बेनिफिट मिलेगा इस लाइव सेशन से, बिकॉज आपने जो छोटे मोटे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स और जो टूल्स दिए हैं, that actually if we start implementing it, we can see the change in our life.
So again, I request, even if one thing you can pick up from this 1 hour session, even one thing,
Yeah.
it will turn your life 360 degrees.
Yes. I agree with this. I
Don't need
hope.
to do all of them at once. Just one thing at a time. Anything what caught your attention.
Yeah.
You know what? Totally, yeah, aha moment. This I can do it. So just go ahead and do it. Don't let your mind stop you from that. Just do it. If you're hearing it, it's meant for you. It's like, not everybody on the earth is listening now. If you are listening it, just do it. It's only for you, for sure.
Right. I get it. So guys, please note down if you want to, or if you want to really, because these are the very important tips which nobody is sharing right now. And these are, it looks to be simple, but they are so good. When you apply it, you will definitely get the benefit, and I think max benefit I can say, because I am implementing it. I can see the change in me, and really I can shift my mood from bad mood to a good mood. So all thanks to her, So and the most important thing what I have learned from her is, the more you love yourself, the more you will give to people. You don't become self-obsessed. You become selfless. You become more giver, more and more giving. So
And
I
that
really
too basically does, you can't contain it. There's so much, it has to come out. You're
come
not
out.
doing it, you're taking it out from nothing. You're full and now it's coming out. It's
Yeah,
not that
now
yesterday I started by saying, I'm like keeping filling up myself, now it's just coming out. Just coming out. So I say yes, I told you, I say yes to life. Whatever comes up, I'll say yes. I don't want to wait for something or this thing. I want to give because it's full. I'm, रात को जगा के बोले कि honey session, I said, okay, I can. And it's a part of your life.
at night you will ask for a makeup or a bride. I'll just come and run and do, because I'm so passionate about my makeup and hair and everything. Teaching,
Hmm.
I love teaching, so I can
Hmm.
understand, I can relate with that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
आप कभी भी कर सकते हो, जब भी सो के नींद में करो या कभी भी करो, you're always
Hmm.
fresh and energetic to do that work.
Do that, yeah, what you really love. So
I really
basically, love what you want to do and do what you want to love.
what they do,
Oh,
right?
that's it. Yeah.
This was really
So
amazing session, Aniji. This was really amazing session. Thank you so much. Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much for inviting. So,
Yeah, it was
God bless.
very awesome. It was very awesome.
Hmm.
So,
And I bless everybody, those who are here. Let's start to the journey of self-love. You'll never regret that you've started this journey. Sooner or
yes,
later, we all have to move along this path. Whether this lifetime, next lifetime, the ultimate goal, I go to many spiritual places and do a lot of deep studies also. Essence is self-love and self-acceptance. Love your flaws, love your negativities, love yourself completely. That's the highest spirituality. It's not about getting egoistic or you're feeling wow mere jaisa koi nahi. I mean, I love myself with all my mistakes, so I can see even if you make mistake, ठीक है ना, mistake तो होती है. I love myself, I love you also for that. So like you're becoming so accommodating. You love everybody. Kit-pat relationship feel. Money just comes to you. It there's no lack because there's love, and love energy will attract all the higher power energy.
right,
So sooner or later you'll all have to work, so why not now? And it is a
right.
good time. Yeah.
True. Very true. So, thank you, Aniji, for your session.
Okay,
Thank you
most
so
welcome. Thank you.
guys, I wanted to share with you that if you guys have to follow her, like you can take a WhatsApp number from me. You can DM me directly for to join her group. She has a group that's absolutely free, and she shares her knowledges. that is an excellent group. You can get anything. You know, you get amazing guidance from her. She likes to share everything. You know, whatever she has, the knowledge she shares with you, and that is amazing about her. So I will prefer you guys join her group. Really, it is amazing. It's really amazing. And for our, this was a small initiative from our side for you all guys. You know, it is actually, this session was planned only for friends and family, or just a small few number of groups, you know, to make them aware that what exactly in this crisis, how they can stay calm, they can have a good health, good emotional health, how can they ground themselves, how can they have less of anxiety, less of fear because of news and other stuff. So this was a small initiative by us to a small group so that you all can have understand this and get benefit from it. And the guest, our honeybee, she made it very awesomely. She explained everything and she has given a lot of tools, guys. Just grab it and use it and implement it. I am very sure after few days you will see the shift in you. Really, I'm telling you. You will really see the shift. Sorry for my, you know, sometimes I fumble up. So yeah, really. And you know, firstly, even I was not that okay to accept whatever it comes. But now I have become very comfortable. I accept whatever it comes. So it had helped me, you know, her tools and tips have helped me to accept whatever it is coming. Just accept it and attend it and just shift yourself. Even I help my friends to shift their perception. So, you know, this works. This works. So I hope this session will help you all to understand more better that simple things are more better and simple things are more better. Apply it, implement it, and just see the shift. So, guys, we just sign off today, and I hope you all like it. So, Haniji, we are signing off. Thank you so
Thank
much for
you.
once again.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bye.
Take care. Bless you all. Love you all. Keep loving yourself.
Bye.
Bye.